The Harmony A2 and B2 media player features an LED indicator to provide real-time status updates. For the purpose of this video, we will be displaying the A2 model. If the LED indicator is solid on, the device is operating normally. If the LED indicator is solid off, the device is powered off. Check the power connection. If the LED indicator is solid blinking, 2 seconds on, 0.5 seconds off, the player is in hotspot mode. Connect to the device's hotspot to complete network setup. If the LED indicator is fast blinking, 0.5 seconds on, 0.5 seconds off, the player is offline. Check the network cables or Wi-Fi connection. If the LED indicator is slow blinking, 0.5 seconds on, 2 seconds off, the player has limited connectivity. Verify the firewall settings and ensure the required ports are open. If the LED indicator is double blinking with a pause, the player is connected, but playback has stopped. Ensure the player is in playback mode and check the schedule settings. If the LED indicator is triple blinking with a pause, the audio is muted or the player is unplugged. Check the volume settings and audio connections.